So to apply this, I went with a apple green 4-strand Italian silk with silver metallic thread. And this yarn is so beautiful. I think this is so beautiful. I love making this yarn. It just takes so long to prep it. And it's always so soft. So pretty. It's going to make something really spectacular. So I hope you enjoyed watching me spin that one. It has taken me 3 days to complete the actual spinning of it. It took about a week to prep all the fibre. This type is called my signature yarn. It is my trademark yarn for my Joe's Paradise of Colour. So that is such a beautiful yarn, and I hope you all enjoyed it. It did take me about 7 days all up to complete, and it's so sparkly, but I can never really get the sparkle on camera or on photo, but I did manage to get a little bit in the photos. So I hope you do enjoy the photos at the end of this video. This is to match one of my hand dyed colorways for the buyer. She bought some of the hand dyed Grevillea just before Christmas and decided she would like something to match it, and she is doing weaving. So when she's finished her piece, I will ask if I can put it up on my community pages on YouTube for you all to see how well this yarn makes up. But it's so squishy, so beautiful, close to skin, so soft, and it's beautiful. You can knit and you can also crochet with this yarn. My mother has made some absolutely stunning pieces with this type of yarn before, and that's what all of our Mum and Me articles, they're the collaborated garments that we sell, are made out of my signature yarn. So I do have pictures of them up on my Facebook, and they are also in Etsy. They are for sale. So if you're interested in anything that is one of a kind with unique yarn made from me, and the garments are made by my mum, you can go and have a look and help out the channel that way, or I sell all my yarns as well. But this one is a custom order, and if you do want or would like some signature yarn for yourself, I only make them for custom orders, so they're all unique. My design, my skill with your colors, and some extra flair from me. So please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more. I do plan on filming all of the orders that I have at the beginning of the year. I've got another 3 yarns to make, so that will be probably 2 videos, because one of the orders is 2 of the signature yarns. But in Outback, I have already shown Outback on a couple occasions, which those videos are already up on my YouTube. But yes, I am very happy with the end result of this yarn, and I hope the buyer is also equally very happy with this yarn. So if you have not yet, please subscribe to the channel. It is free. It's free to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It helps with getting the channel seen to other people, and it also helps me achieve milestones with YouTube. So have a wonderful weekend, and bye for now. Bye.